Ever feel like no matter how much you pay, your credit card balance barely moves? You're not crazy. You're trapped in a system built to make lenders rich and keep you in debt. In 2025, this system had already hit the crisis level. Today, I'll cover 5 truth bombs that reveal what's going on and how you can fight back. Welcome to Geniusly Rich, where we expose how money really works and show you how to use it to build freedom, not debt. If you're tired of working hard just to stay stuck, hit that like button so YouTube shares this with more people trying to break free too. Let's dive right in. Truth bomb number 1, the $1.21 trillion weight. The first truth bomb is about the sheer scale of the problem. It's bigger than most people can comprehend. The data. As of late 2025, Americans owe over $1.21 trillion in credit card balances, according to the Federal Reserve Bank of New York. That's a record high. The deeper meaning. $1 trillion feels like a government number, but it's not. It's a household number repeated millions of times. This debt represents delayed dreams, homes postponed, businesses never launched, retirements pushed further away. Every dollar of interest represents money that could otherwise support your goals instead of going to lenders. The solution? Build your debt hit list. You cannot fight an enemy you cannot see. The first step is to open a spreadsheet or grab a notebook and list every single one of your credit card debts. Write down the total balance, the interest rate, APR, and the minimum monthly payment for each. This is your debt hit list. Looking at the total number might feel uncomfortable, but it's the necessary first step to taking control. This can become your personal roadmap. Truth bomb number 2, the APR Quicksand. This fact explains why this debt is so destructive. It's not just the amount, it's the sky-high cost of borrowing. The data. In 2025, the average APR on credit cards carrying a balance is 23.99%. Store cards? Many are over 30%. The deeper meaning. At 24%, a $5,000 balance racks up about $1,200 in interest every year. That's $100 a month gone before you even touch the principal. This is why minimum payments feel like running in place. The solution? Choose your weapon, Avalanche or Snowball. You need a proven strategy to attack the principal balance. Avalanche method. Attack the highest interest card first. Saves the most money, mathematically. Snowball method. Attack the smallest balance first. Builds momentum and motivation. Both work. The best method is the one you'll stick with. If this is hitting home and you're starting to see the system differently, tap that like button. It tells YouTube this is valuable and it helps more people escape the debt cycle too. Truth bomb number 3, the generational squeeze. This crisis is not affecting everyone equally. The data shows a concerning trend among younger Americans. The Federal Reserve data indicate that millennials, 29 to 42, and Gen Z, 18 to 28, are seeing the fastest growth in both balances and delinquencies. Serious delinquencies, 90+ days past due, are rising faster for these groups than any other generation. The deeper meaning. Younger Americans are facing a perfect storm. Lower starting salaries, higher housing costs, and the pressure to keep up with lifestyles on social media. Credit cards become the easy fix for cash flow problems, but the long-term cost is brutal. The solution? Go on an income offensive. Cutting expenses is a defense, but in your 20s and 30s, your greatest weapon is offense, your ability to grow income. That could mean a side hustle, freelancing online, learning a high-demand skill, or negotiating a raise. Even an extra $500 a month dedicated to your debt hit list can cut years off your payoff timeline. Truth bomb number 4, the minimum payment trap. This is perhaps the most deceptive feature of a credit card, and it's a mathematical trap built into the system. The data? Minimum payments are usually 1% of the balance plus interest. On a $10,000 balance at 23.99% APR, the minimum is about $250. If you only pay that, it will take 28 years to pay off, and you'll pay over $16,000 in interest on top of the original $10,000. The deeper meaning. That's not just a suggestion, it's a system designed to maximize lender profits. The minimum payment is designed to keep you in debt as long as possible. The solution? The minimum plus rule. Never pay just the minimum. Always had something, even $25 or $50. That extra goes straight to the principal, breaking the cycle. Automate your payments so you never slip back into the trap. Truth bomb number 5, the silent credit score killer. And finally, the damage from this crisis isn't just financial, it's about your future opportunities. The data. Your credit utilization ratio, debt versus credit limit, makes up 30% of your FICO score. Carrying high balances drags your score down, and a single missed payment can drop your score by 100 points. The deeper meaning. A low score is a hidden tax on your future. It means higher mortgage rates, higher car loan payments, higher insurance premiums, and even rental applications denied. The solution? The balance transfer bridge. If your score is 670 plus, you may qualify for a 0% intro APR credit card. This can give you 12 to 21 months to pay down debt interest-free, depending on the issuer's terms. But it's not a magic fix, it's a bridge. It's important to have a plan to pay it off before the intro period ends, otherwise interest charges may apply. These 5 truths paint a clear picture. Credit card debt thrives on confusion and inertia, but knowledge is power. By understanding the scale, the cost, and the traps, you can dismantle the system in your own life. You are not just a statistic. Your financial future is built one smart decision at a time. I'm curious to hear from you. Which of these 5 facts was the biggest truth bomb for you? What is one single actionable step you are going to take this week to fight back against your debt? Drop your answers in the comments below and subscribe for more educational content on personal finance. Thanks for watching.